they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try.
Mak, benar sangat ini.
Cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. If you're new here, you're most welcome. If it's your first time coming through this channel, thank you so much for joining us. And for the returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for the 700 subscribers. We are almost there to 1000 subscribers. So guys, today we will be doing a living room deep cleaning. So guys, join the video, click, enjoy. Please watch till the end and let's continue growing together.
I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
So currently I don't have a nanny, so I decided to take a day off. And for the cleaning detergents, I'll be using this Vim, and then I'll be using this Astonish for the seats, and then I'll be using this white jig. It also has disinfectant, so it's a very nice one for cleaning and killing any germs. So I'll mix everything up and then we do the whole cleaning. I'll also clean the carpet. So let's do this, guys. So guys, I feel so good staying at home, taking care of my baby, doing the cleaning. It's been long since I did this. So this is the current situation of the house. The carpet is dirty, everything is disorganized. So I'm sure I'll have fun doing this. This is my daughter, she's biting something. Yeah, if she was to be asked, she will prefer us staying at home throughout, but mommy got to work. So this is the current situation of the house. As you can see, everything is everywhere. So let me start with mixing everything and wiping the seats. So continue enjoying the video. Please watch till the end. Give me a like and leave a beautiful comment there. Let's interact, okay guys?
Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive.
So guys, guys, for my seat, I had them custom made right outside my house. I called the fundi. I went, bought everything, every material you see. Yeah, so my seat is purely fiber. 90% of it is fiber. So I went to Gikomba. As you all know, I know in and outside every part of Gikomba. So I went and bought everything. I had my fundi give me the measurements of everything, the materials, the fibers. The only thing he did for me is the frame. I gave him the design I want for my seat. So he only made the seat, the frame, and then everything else I bought from Gikomba. So if you need the contacts of this fundi, and if you think he did an amazing job, I love my seat. According to me, I think he did a good job. So if you want the contacts for this fundi, just comment down below. I'll write the contacts there. Okay, guys? Yeah. So guys, I normally use the throw shawls to spread on my armchairs so that they help to protect the seats from getting dirt. Especially the most stained part of the chair is the armchair. So this is what I use to protect them. So I normally try to maintain all I can with it. So as you can see there, I spread it. All the armchairs are covered. Yeah. So for those who are wondering where I got my curtains from, can you believe this is Mtumba, guys? I thrifted them in Gikomba. There's a friend of mine who opens curtains. So for the 2 pieces I bought them for 3,000 shillings. It's perfect. I'm so glad it blended so well with my seats. And I love them. I love these curtains. Yes, guys, for the throw pillows, I also had them made together with the seat. Yeah, the fiber I bought in Gikomba was enough for the throw pillows and also for the seat. I think I got around eight sacks of fiber. Each sack goes for 1300. So that's it for the throw pillows. Yeah, they were custom made
Every day, I
right
want your
together with
touch,
the seat.
and every way I can't give it up. Anything just to feel the rush. This just ain't enough. Oh, we be my ride or die. Oh, we can do this every night. Oh, will you be my ride or die? Will you be my ride or die? We can do this every night. Will you be my ride or die?
So guys, for the carpet, I'll start with sweeping it using the brush. So I'll try and clean it as much as I can, and then later on I'll remove it, and then so that I'll be able to clean under the carpet. So it's a bit tricky sweeping it, and it's really tiring to doing this. So guys, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Thank you for watching it till this far. Kindly support your girl. If you're watching it and you've not subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button and I'll be happy.
Will you be my ride or die? Will you be my ride or die?
So guys, the carpet is fully cleaned now. I was so tired by now. At this point my energy was at 0%. So right now I'm removing the carpet so that I clean the underside of the house under the carpet. Yes, and my boss is right there looking at me without offering any help. But I was so glad to do this because it's been long. Yeah, it was kinda therapeutic to do this. Yes. So guys, continue enjoying the
'Cause we
video.
always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by.
So guys, for the floors, I'll be using this rug. I have a mop, but I find it easier to clean with a duster. It might be back breaking, but it's much easier. Yeah, so I'll be using the duster for it. I'll clean under the chairs. I'll be pulling the chairs and try to clean every part of the house, of the living room. So let's do this, guys.
We all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone,
spread the carpet back. Everything is in place now. The house is clean and fresh. As you can see, everything is organized now. Our tenants are right there. Those are my babies, my grandchildren. As you can see, everything looks so nice. But trust you me, by the end of doing this, I was so tired. I only wanted to go to bed and sleep for a few hours. But I'm so glad I was able to do this. Yeah, I'm so proud of myself. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video to this far. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Kindly get me to 1,000 by the end of this month. I'll be very happy. Yeah, so guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching it to the end. Yeah, your girl is happy. Kindly continue supporting your girl. Okay guys, yeah, that's it for today's video. Until next time, cheers.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times.